Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to play the piano part and its piano accompaniment, Faded by Alan Walker. So this is an accompaniment tutorial. I did make an arrangement tutorial quite a while ago, so I'll link that in the description in case you're interested. But I will also demonstrate with some vocals, and I've also left where you can find the full chords and lyrics linked in the description. So let's dive in. So this one's in the key of D sharp minor. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of D sharp minor. So there are 6 sharps. It's very heavy on the black keys. The E is technically called an E sharp, it's just something to note. So I'll be referring to as F as an E sharp because this is the 6th note that's sharpened. So here is middle C as a reference. So the hands colour coded on the screen, left hand will be blue and right hand will be orange. So the intro then, if I just play it for you first, we're just going to play exactly how it's played. So I'll do the right hand first, the notes are on the top screen. So we have F sharp 3 times, A sharp, D sharp 3 times, C sharp once, A sharp 4 times, F 3 times or E sharp, then ends on D sharp. Let's do that again. The left hand, we're going to be doing this, what's called an Alberti bass, which is very common in classical music. So we're going to be breaking up the left hand chords, just the triads. So D sharp minor, the root chord, so it's D sharp, F sharp, and A sharp. So basically we're going to be going low, high, middle, high, low, high, middle, high. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we come to B major, so that's B, D sharp and F sharp, same pattern, low, high, middle, high, low, high, middle, high. And then we come to F sharp major, so that's F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, same pattern, low, high, middle, high, low, high, middle, high. And then we come to C sharp major, so C sharp, E sharp and G sharp, same pattern, low, high, middle, high, low, high, middle, high. Those are the 4 chords repeated throughout the whole song, but as I said, they're played in different ways in different sections. So I'll just go through that left hand one more time and then I'll show you how you put it together. So on the C sharp major, we go 1 and 2 and 3 and middle. So you hold that F and then the verse starts. So let's put that together. So the D sharp and the F sharp come in. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and do that again. To D sharp and then B in the left hand, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Some of these notes might sound a bit strange together when you're playing it quite slow. They're quite passing or quite passive when you're playing it at the full speed. So I'll do that bit again from the B and the D sharp. F sharp major, F sharp and A sharp together, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then the C sharp with the F, 1 and 2 and 3 and hold the F and the D sharp down. So again, I know that's a bit of a strange sound, but that's what's being played. So we'll do all of that again. And then it's into the verse. So again, this is what the piano part is actually playing so far, because it is just mostly piano. So we've got D sharp minor. So you can play octaves if you want to, or you can just play single D sharp. In the right hand, it's first inversion, so it's F sharp, A sharp, and D sharp. So you're going to just hold the left hand down, and the right hand you're going to play that chord 1, 2, 3, 4. On the fourth time you're going to bring the D sharp to the C sharp. And then we come to B major. So B is in the left hand, and then second inversion in the right hand, so it's F sharp, B, D sharp. And we do a similar thing, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, change the D sharp to the C sharp on the fourth one. And then we come to F sharp major. So the left hand we're going to play F sharp and C sharp. And the right hand is just root position, as we've played it before, but with the right hand. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then C sharp major. C sharp's in the left hand, and in the right hand that's E sharp or F, G sharp and C sharp 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we go back and repeat all of that chord progression again. So back to D sharp minor. So if I just demonstrate the verse.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our rhyme is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now?
And then it's into the pre-chorus, so the Where Are You Now. We can hear in the track, obviously this ends up being a lot going on with it being a dance track, there's that broken up again. So I'm just going to play the first part of the pre-chorus. I'm just going to play the intro a bit again.
Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you
And then we're going to play chords. So D sharp minor.
now?
So I'm going to play this time the right hand, A sharp, D sharp, F sharp, second inversion.
Was it all just a fantasy?
And then we're going to play that B chord the same way as we have done, and then change to that C sharp note.
Where are you now?
And then here I'm going to come up and play, so F sharp's on the left hand. You can still play F sharp and C sharp if you want to. And then second inversion of F sharp major, so that's C sharp, F sharp and A sharp.
Were you all imaginary?
And then the C sharp major, I'm going to play second inversion as well, so that's G sharp, C sharp and F or E sharp. I'll just go over those chords again then. And then you hold it, and then the chorus kicks in. I'll just play all of that pre-chorus then.
Where are you now? Where are you now?
then for the chorus, we just continue that chord progression on. This part here, where there's no obvious piano part, is just going to be my arrangement, my interpretation of how you could play the piano accompaniment. So we'll teach the piano part exactly how it is when it is just piano, but then the rest of it, my adaptation. So the chorus then, again, we're just going to play that chord progression through 4 times. And you can add some extra notes in the left hand if you want to, in between the chords, to try and fill it out a little bit.
Where are you now? Atlantis, under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Another dream. The monsters running wild inside of me. I'm faded. I'm faded. So lost. I'm faded. I'm faded. So lost. I'm faded.
So then we're into the second chorus. Again, same chords, trying to listen to which notes form the highest note of the chords, listening to like the synth parts, and then forming the inversions around that. And it gives a song, with it being so repetitive as a chord structure, it just gives it a bit more variation and interest, and then it sounds even more like the song as well. So for this one, I'm gonna play without the pedal on the quaver beat, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and so we've got this quite ding 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 type synth going on. So we just want to sort of try and replicate that a little bit. So D sharp minor second inversion, how we've played it before, and then B major root position like we've had before. So B, D sharp, F sharp, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then F sharp major, so A sharp, C sharp, F sharp, obviously with F sharp in the left hand, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then C sharp second inversion, which we've had before as well, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then you repeat that chord progression twice. So if I just demonstrate this verse then.
These shallow waters never meant what I needed. I'm letting go, a deeper dive, eternal silence of the sea. I'm breathing alive. Where are you now?
And then for the pre-chorus, we follow that chord progression again for another 3 times, but I'm gonna play octaves in my left hand, and then I'm going to play on the beat instead.
Where are you now? Where are you now? Under the bright but faded lights, you've set my heart on fire. Where are you now?
Into the chorus again.
Where are you now? Atlantis, under the sea, under the sea. Where are you now? Another dream. The monsters running wild inside of me. I'm faded.
I'm like the intro. And then we just hold the C sharp and the E sharp together to finish it. That's the end of this video. If you have a request, please leave them in the comment section of this video. Also remember to like and subscribe. I've left some videos here you might like, so go and check those out. I also have a course, so if you would like to learn how to read music from scratch, go visit Bitesize Piano Course.co.uk. You can enroll and start learning. I'll see you in the next video.